Okay, this street is called Travessa dos Anjos, and it's a pedestrian street, but it's right on this kind of busy street right here. And this one has a lot of foot traffic and cars, but this particular one only has foot traffic. And we're gonna go down it. It's the street of the Angels is what they call it. Let's take it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's go down the Angel Street, Travessa dos Anjos. Let me just kind of capture the lighting just right. And we got lots of the lights, just all the neon lights are kind of coming on as well, so it's kind of a cool spot. Nice time to film in this area. Kind of cool. Okay. So we're gonna head on down. This street is pretty photogenic in my opinion. It's good with this lens because I can capture all the different sides, and you got a lot of people coming through as well, so it makes it more interesting. So we're gonna go around that corner in a second, but before we do, it's kind of hello. And then we also got a lot of cool shops in this little space, so we could go into that. I'll just walk in briefly real quick. This used to be a cinema, so some coffee shops, and some of these restaurants go on both sides as well. Okay. So now we're kind of on this cool little space. So now you can see both streets at the same time. So we're gonna keep on going down this one. Everything's all lit up. So yeah, if you're watching this video, pretty soon I'll be traveling quite a bit. I'll be having some different places. I might try to film a little bit differently as well. That street, Macau is so great with streets, but other places not so much. So this is a little shop in there, lemon tea, I guess. Okay. Okay, now okay, we're gonna keep on going down. We got these little alleys like this. With all the stained glass windows. Walking dos Anjos. And keep on going down. Get over this way. Kind of capture all these angles. And you got the stained glass as well of this big mural. Actually, they're carrying something there, but I was thinking of these stained glass things. And we got lots of alleys as well. Tons of them. Okay. So we're going to be coming out to the ending of this one in a moment. So this is called Travessa dos Anjos, Street of the Angels. Lots of black and white Portuguese tile as well. Come out to here. Come out to there. Come out to here. Come out to here. Got all these little alleys everywhere. Okay. Travessa dos Anjos. We're just going to come in and then we're going to turn it off and that'll be our street. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.